of live updates. Thanks for watching these live updates. I appreciate you greatly. Thank you for taking the time to sit there and just take 2 seconds to hit that like or love button. We're going to be having a busy week. We'll be streaming live any severe weather next weekend. Meteorologist John Haverfield join me if possible, and of course our lead chaser Mike Scantlin will be there as well, watching severe weather potential through the weekend. Again, thanks for taking a live second to hit the like or love button. Got to thank our sponsors, and that is Rooster Days, which is coming up next weekend. I know you're hearing the severe weather threat. I think we're going to have plenty of time to get out to the festival. We just need to have the MCWX app ready to go. In case of alerts issued, then we can make alternate plans. We'll get closer and we'll be able to fine-tune the data a little better. As we get closer to the event, we can fine-tune the exact hours. But there is the threat for severe weather, but it's not going to rain every day. I think it's still a good weekend to get out at Rooster Days. We just got to be weather aware. All right, so appreciate Rooster Days coming up, presented by TTCU. Means a lot to have them on board, and really excited. I'll be out there this weekend as well. We also want to, of course, talk about the severe weather potential, and that's coming up on starting Friday evening. We do have a slight risk for severe weather on Friday. I mean, like probably lower than a slight risk. We're minimal risk right now. The cap's going to be pretty strong Friday. It's going to be pretty strong this weekend. So the question is, can we bust the cap? This far out, typically the cap is always an issue. You get closer and then you can kind of get down to the finer details. So that was Friday. Let's go into Saturday. This is going to be Saturday afternoon and evening. We can look at the atmosphere. We can see it get pretty unstable across the region with the potential for severe weather across Osage County. Again, this is so far out still. The general idea is there is a severe weather threat for Saturday afternoon in this general area, and it will change some. And it should, because it's pretty far out still. If I was able to predict with exact certainty this far out, then wow, that would be impressive, but we're not there yet. All right, so this is going to go into Friday evening, so let me erase that. Sunday could be pretty intense as well. Let's go to Sunday afternoon. We can see the atmosphere becoming very unstable Sunday evening. This is 7 o'clock. Look at that potential for severe weather. This is the EHI index, and so really what we look at this is really just kind of discern a greatest area for severe weather threats and for the potential for tornadoes. And so this particular model is highlighting this area across central Kansas into southwestern Oklahoma. Will the cap be able to be broken? We'll watch and see. So that's Sunday. We go into Monday afternoon. Another threat Monday evening. So this is not this Monday, but a week from now. So low chance Friday, Saturday, and Sunday afternoon. We're going to have to watch closely, and potentially into Monday as well of next week. Things do look to improve by Tuesday. And then Wednesday of next week, kind of the pattern, though, does torque back up by the end of next week as we see it kind of reload across the Central Plains. It's just that time of year, and this takes us all the way into the 23rd of May. And so when I made that post the other night, I know I don't have a graphics maker here, so maybe I need to hire one, but the idea is that I wanted to show the pattern really getting going this weekend and then really lasting through early June, the way it looks. It's not going to be severe weather every single day. We'll have a couple of breaks in between each event, but nonetheless, we have to really be prepared for severe weather across the central United States, and that's what we're going to do. No reason to be scared when you're prepared. You have a plan in place, you're good to go, all right? Because you got to remember, most tornadoes are pretty weak. And if you're taking cover, even with a EF3, EF4 tornado, if you have a storm shelter, you're going to be safe. Of course, review those severe weather plans with your family. Thank these sponsors that you see up here to make this severe weather coverage possible. Half Moon Plumbing, HCS Roofing, the Generator SuperCenter, Anthem Pools, Empire Fence, all wonderful, wonderful locally owned companies that have provided this avenue to keep you safe 24/7. So just another tool in your toolbox to help you stay safe this severe weather season. Thank you for watching these, and thank you for supporting me. I appreciate you so much. Hope you have a great night. We'll be back here tomorrow night with another weather update. In the meantime, enjoy the heat that's about to build back